Today we're talking about how to invite guests to join you on screen during your stream. A guest is considered anyone you want to have on screen with you. So this could be a guest speaker or a co-host. Once you've scheduled an upcoming stream, you can click these three dots and then click invite a guest. This lets you copy a link and send out to the guests you want to have join you in your studio. Now remember, don't share this link publicly because anyone will be able to join you in your studio. And we only want the people who you want to have on screen join you in your studio. So I copy this link and send it to my guests. You can select the option to click on Gmail, email, or Messenger to send this link to your contacts that way. On the free plan, you can have up to 6 people on screen, and that includes yourself. On the paid plans, you can have up to 10 people on screen. You can also share these instructions for your guest if they've never been on a StreamYard stream before. Once your guest clicks on this link, they'll see a similar microphone and camera test page as you saw. Once everything looks good and they click enter the studio, you'll see them join your studio backstage right next to your thumbnail, like this. They're backstage when they join, so you still have to add them onto the screen at any time by clicking them like this. The second way to invite a guest is by clicking the invite button from inside the studio. This is the same link that we already got from the dashboard. It's just another place. It might be easier for you to access this link and send it to your guests. Now you can have a different amount of people inside the studio versus the people who are on screen. So like I already mentioned, you can have 6 on screen on the free plan and 10 on screen in the paid plans, but you can actually have 10 people backstage on both the free and the basic plans. Whereas on the professional plan, you can have up to 12 people in the backstage area. Remember, only 10 people can be on screen on that pro plan, but you can have 2 people waiting to be switched in and out if you're doing a dynamic talk show. Now, a great feature of StreamYard is that your guests don't need to download anything. They don't even need to sign up for an account. All they do is click on your link, make sure they're using Chrome, and they can enter your studio. It's as easy as that. Your guests can also share their screen. They can share videos, but you as the host have to approve everything that they share. Inviting guests to your stream is an amazing way to grow your audience. If your guest's willing to share your show on their channels, their pages, you'll be able to almost double your audience count. Now you're ready to invite a guest to your next stream. Let us know if you have any questions by going to StreamYard.com/contact. We're here for you 24/7. We're also here for your guests if they need help too. Thanks so much for watching and happy streaming.